Ever been caught short, needing to write a check but realizing you're completely out? Frustrating, right? Well, today we're tackling that problem head-on by showing you exactly how to order Relay Bank checks. Whether you're a seasoned check writer or a complete newbie, this guide will have you covered. Now, you might be wondering, why bother with checks in this digital age? Fair question. While electronic payments are king these days, checks still have their place. Landlords often prefer them for rent, some service providers still rely on them, and they can be a safer option than carrying large sums of cash. And when it comes to choosing a bank for your check ordering needs, Relay Bank is a popular choice. They offer a user-friendly platform, competitive pricing, and a range of customization options. So, let's dive in. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Relay Bank account. The first step is to log into your Relay Bank online account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create an account first. This usually involves providing some basic information and verifying your identity. Locate the Order Checks option. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Services or Accounts section. You should find an option like Order Checks, Check Ordering, or something similar. Click on it. Choose your check style and options. This is where the fun begins. Relay Bank likely offers a variety of check styles to choose from. You might find options like Basic, simple and straightforward, often the most affordable. Business, more professional with company logos or custom designs. Personal, featuring unique colors, patterns, or even photos. You'll also need to decide on things like number of checks, order in bulk to save money or just a few for immediate needs. Checkbook style, single checks, duplicate checks, or even check registers. Check printing, choose between standard black ink or more vibrant colors. Personalize your checks, if applicable. If you've chosen a customizable style, this is your chance to get creative. You might be able to add your name, ensure it's spelled correctly. Address, keep it up to date. Phone number, for easy contact. Logo or image, if applicable, make your check stand out. Review your order and proceed to checkout. Before you finalize your order, carefully review all the details. Double-check the number of checks, the style, and all the personalized information. Make any necessary corrections. Once you're satisfied, proceed to checkout. You will usually be presented with different shipping options and payment methods. Choose the ones that best suit your needs and budget. Place your order and track delivery. After placing your order, you should receive an order confirmation email. This email will likely contain your order number and an estimated delivery time frame. You can usually track the status of your order online through your Relay Bank account or by using the tracking number provided in the confirmation email. Ordering tips. Order in bulk to save money on shipping and per check costs. Consider ordering extra checks to avoid running out unexpectedly. If you're unsure about any of the options, contact Relay Bank customer support for assistance. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any problems during the ordering process, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser's cache. If the issue persists, contact Relay Bank customer support through their website or by phone. If you're ordering business checks, ensure they comply with any relevant regulations or industry standards. If you have any concerns about the security of your online transactions, reach out to Relay Bank's security department for guidance. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.